Hi everybody, it's Miss Claire from the Red Bank Public Library, and welcome to another version of our Crafts of the Season for this summer. What we're going to do here coincides with our theme for the summer reading program, which is Oceans of Possibilities. And today I'm going to show you how to make a very cute craft here. It's a clamshell with a pearl. We have put out some, this week we put out some of the take and make packages with all the supplies that you need to follow along with me. And it's really very easy. The one other thing that you might need would be like glue or a glue stick or a glue gun. You know, and that's often the case with some of the things that we make. Okay, so let's get started. First thing we're going to do is take our paper plate that was included in the kit and the blue piece of paper, the blue tissue paper here, which I wanted to make it look like water or the ocean. And then you're going to glue that onto the paper plate here. Okay, very easy here. So it comes out looking like this, and it'll dry when it sets. Okay, now the major focus of this craft is our little clamshell. And if you have the take and make package, it's closed. You have to open it up, pop it open, and it doesn't really close back up again unless you push it. But for the purposes of what we're doing here, where it stays open like this, what we have to do is take the side that has the hole in it, and that will be the top. And then you take the side that's the bottom, and then you glue it to your paper plate right here. It might take a little bit of time for it to set, but it has to look like this, so the other side can fit in on the back. Okay. Now what we're going to do is take the top part of it, and this bottom part here, if you don't have a glue gun or glue, Fun Tack is what I'm going to use here. This blue Fun Tack is a nice, easy way to stick things together. What I also included in the take and make, or you can get it on your own, is modeling clay. That's what we're going to be using to make our little pearl. And I got white. That also has like a sticky element to it. But in this case, I'm going to put the Fun Tack on here. And press the top of the clamshell so it's open like this. Okay, you'll have to kind of fiddle around with it because it may take a little while for it to dry. Okay. So we're going to work with the open clamshell. And then we're going to take the tissue paper, the pink tissue paper that I've included, or if you have some at home, crumple it up. And put it inside the clamshell. Make sure it fits, and then once again, glue on the bottom. And glue it in. So it looks like this. Okay. Now the next thing we're going to do is make our little pearl. As I said before, I included modeling clay. You can make it as big or as small as you want, and then you Open it up. It looks like this. You pull a piece out and then roll it in your hands in a ball. Make it nice and round. Our purposes here, I'll make it, a little bit bigger than usual. Bigger than a pearl, but it still looks cute. And then you want to put some glue on top of your tissue paper and put your little pearl right in the middle there. So it looks like this. Okay. I've included some shells and rocks, but if you have some on your own, if you have shells from the beach and little rocks, you can feel free to decorate it any way you'd like. And this will be the fun part. I'll take a little piece of a shell, put some glue on it, and just place it all around your plate. It doesn't have to be done in a specific way. And you take your colored rocks and you do the same thing. So eventually you have all of the rocks on the bottom look like this. It does take a little time for all of this to dry, so. And then the cardboard shreds that I included, or you can shred up cardboard or paper at home on your own. All I did was just sprinkle them around. I didn't glue them. I just laid them out on the plate. Make it look like seagrass. And then this is your finished product. And you can adjust it any way you like. This one's not cooperating that well, but again, if you have a glue gun or a glue stick, it might work a little bit better. But the idea is to have an open clam shell and a little decorative pearl in the middle with shells around to go along with our theme of oceans of possibilities. So I hope everyone is having a nice summer. It's really, really slipping by. And let's hope we enjoy the rest of the summer. Thank you again for joining me for the craft. And we will see you again soon.